So I just finished breakfast, brunch, I guess, more to the point. But this is pretty crazy. So I just walked around a corner. Got a construction site for this building. Another construction site there. Got a demolished building here. Got construction going on here. Not certain, they might be doing something here for remodeling. And then I can hear they're doing work inside that building. And then we look over here, got just an empty area, but looks like they're building more on that building. This building is being, something's done to it. Another big crane there in the distance. So everywhere I go around this place is something new going up, something old coming down. So there's a different view of that construction and that building. Up there you can see the normal construction. And then we spin around. This building they're doing construction in it. Try construction over there, maybe. So much change and churn going on. Just imagine there's some kind of a approval board, zoning board. I don't know if they're actually disapproving freaking anything. Just show up with a plan and they're like, okay, go ahead. So I got this group of guys working here. This guy up here, and I can pull over. Work my way around these folks. So there's a construction site. On the other side of this wall is a deep pit where they're working on foundation for a high-rise building. Got all these electrician guys working on wires. It's pretty crazy. It's like they can't build fast enough. Look at all these constructions going on down here on these buildings. Build, build, build. Oh, those buildings are new over there. Alright, let's go for a walk on the beach. So even among all this crazy construction, still got people rolling around, doing sales the old-fashioned way on foot. These ladies are cooking up, got banh mi sandwiches, cooking up kebabs. It smells really good. Another person rolling around selling shoes and bags and hats. Alright, go play frog here in a second. I'll let these cars clear out and then I'll go for it. I was just thinking, something like 17 years ago, we pulled into United Arab Emirates, Jebel Ali. And that was insane construction going on at the time over there. This is not quite to the same scale, but it is damn close to that scale of fast construction everywhere. So here's the real reason why to come all the way over to Vietnam. the beach. No snow. Of course, unfortunately, not a whole lot of sun right now for this time of year. Grab another cappuccino, $1.48. Kind of a nice little setting. Got some interior seating and we got the exterior seating. You just make out, it says KFC. So we got Kentucky Fried Chicken and Pizza Hut. It's not quite 7 o'clock, but traffic is really crazy down at this end. We'll play a little Frogger and get across the road. It's got a thumping restaurant here. It's actually combined with this coffee place. Got some spinning chicken over here. Karaoke bars around here, looks like. There's another karaoke. Kind of dead end down there. This part is a little bit crazier than most parts I've been to. Pretty narrow street with a lot of traffic. Got all these seating for coffee drinkers. Turn around here and there's even more coffee and tea. Go from coffee and tea, fruit stands, fruit smoothies, everything you think of with fruit. Wildly bizarre amounts of choices here. What do you want to eat? What do you want to drink? More fruit smoothie kind of stuff. All sorts of meats on sticks. Looks like most like hot dog kind of thing. All fresh. All fresh, man. It's dinner time, so everything is crazy now. This is the third time I think I've been inside a tiny little bathroom. Well, low ceiling bathroom. Whoosh. This doesn't leave a whole lot of headroom. That's me trying to stand straight up. So you see it's underneath the stairs, so that's why it's so short. Typical Japanese style. Right next to the cooks. You actually had to scan the barcode with your phone to order. So we got typical ramen here, Japanese style. There's all the noodles, hide underneath. Big old chunk of fatty pork. So right here at the Ramen Shin, or Shin Japanese Ramen, however you want to pronounce this. I never figured out the correct way to say these signs. That ramen was very much supposed to be like Japanese style, but I'm pretty certain, I don't remember, I mean it's been a long time since I lived in Japan. Lived there for 2 years, but I don't remember there being that much vegetables, especially that much cabbage. So I think it's a bit of a Vietnam dish more so than Japanese dish. You actually ordered it with a QR code for your chair, and you could order to have either more of a Japanese style or more of a Vietnamese style. And I of course chose Japanese style. Alright, let's go work off some of these calories from eating all this. All this traffic for the dinner crowd. Let's get across this road. A little nuts tonight. Everyone rushing around trying to get their dinner. Evening temperatures dropped just enough. And we got this cooler ocean breeze coming in, creating a bit of a light fog. Tonight the moon came out. Come over here real quick. Let's get a good look at this. How great a view is that? It's almost impossibly too pretty of a view today, this evening here at the beach. Got a salted coffee, $2.09. Nice little spot to watch the crowd go by, but there's a live band just around the corner. This is a great little place to hang out. It's actually the hotel, but it makes for a good spot to just sit and relax, have a coffee, and watch the crowds go by.